These earbuds offer such an exceptional sound experience and comfortable design. With their sleek and modern design, the Tozo Crystal earbuds are perfect for anyone looking for high-quality audio without sacrificing comfort. In this video, we will explore all the features of these earbuds in detail, from sound quality to battery life. We'll cover everything you need to know before making a purchase. So sit back, relax, and join us as we dive into the world of Tozo Crystal earbuds. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxing. So here we have the box of Tozo Crystal earbuds. As we slide open this box, we get to see some paperwork, and below we get to see our earbuds. At first glance, you will notice that there is something different with the case. As you can see, the lid of the case is see-through acrylic, which gives it a different touch in terms of design. Let's put this aside for a while. Here we have the Type-C charging cable along with some extra ear tips so you can play along according to your ear type. So let's talk about the design of the Tozo Crystal earbuds, starting with the case. The case looks different as we get the acrylic see-through lid, which does nothing but gives it a nice look with glossy body, and on the front we get a display which tells you the remaining battery percentage on the case, and also each earbuds. The hinge is not that good, but it's fine for the price. On the back we get the Type-C port. At 50% volume, the headphones last up to 7.5 hours on a single charge. With the case, audio playback increases to 30 hours. The buds are designed to fit perfectly into your ears and are very comfortable to wear. The front side is made of glossy material and the inside is matte. The case also supports QI wireless charging, which is pretty nice for this price range. Moreover, the IPX8 rating of the Tozo Crystal buds ensure that they are fully waterproof and can withstand even the toughest environments, making them perfect for outdoor activities like running, hiking, or swimming. You can enjoy your favorite music without worrying about water damage, as the buds are designed to handle even the heaviest rain or sweat. The touch controls on the buds make it easy to navigate through your playlist and adjust the sound settings to your liking. With a simple tap, you can play or pause your music, skip tracks, or even answer and end calls. The intuitive controls make it easy to use the earbuds without taking your phone out of your pocket or bag. The Tozo Crystal buds support dual-channel transmission, which means that each bud can be used independently, allowing you to share your music or take calls with a friend. You can also use just one bud at a time, which can help conserve battery life and extend your listening time. Overall, the combination of IPX8 rating, touch controls, and dual-channel transmission makes the Tozo Crystal buds a versatile and practical choice for anyone who wants high-quality wireless earbuds that can keep up with their active lifestyle. Whether you're working out, traveling, or just enjoying your music on the go, these earbuds are sure to provide a comfortable and enjoyable listening experience. Now let's talk about connectivity and sound quality. The buds come with Bluetooth version 5.3, which helps you connect your earbuds easily even from a considerable distance. The sound quality is great. You can hear the clear separation between highs and mids, and it doesn't have that deep bass, but yeah, from the point of TWS, definitely has some deep bass. And also with the help of Tozo app, which you can download from both the Play Store and the App Store, you get a bunch of customization. You could even boost or decrease the bass as per your liking. It's fair enough to say that these are a great choice for music lovers, and the mic quality is also good enough to take calls in little crowded areas. So that is it for the Tozo Crystal earbuds. If you want something comfortable, stylish, and something which sounds good for under 40 USD, these are the perfect fit for you. This is MHD Tech signing off for today. See you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.